If you look way over there, that's Toronto. All of this is Hamilton. We're on the Hamilton mountaintop. Oh, and my shoes, when I ordered them online, the description said Ferrari red. No. This is an affogato. It's an Italian dessert coffee. Stick around and I'll show you how I make it with a twist. What's going on, guys? Charlie here, back with another video. Today we're making the affogato, the Italian dessert coffee. Now affogato in Italian means drowned. So what we're doing is we're taking 2 scoops of ice cream and drowning it in espresso. Now traditionally, the affogato is made with 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream and a shot of espresso. Today I'm taking my own twist on it. My ice cream of choice is cookies and cream, and I'll be adding a ½ ounce of liqueur as well. So, couple of simple ingredients: good quality shot of espresso, 2 scoops of ice cream of your choice. Typically it's vanilla or chocolate. Again, today I'm using cookies and cream, and I'll be adding ½ ounce of coffee liqueur. All right, the espresso machine is on, heating up and ready to go. 1 ounce of good quality espresso. My version with a twist is 2 scoops of cookies and cream ice cream, and again with ½ ounce of coffee liqueur. Let's get this assembled. Pulled my espresso shot. Espresso is ready to go. Start with 2 scoops of ice cream, followed by adding or affogato, drowning the ice cream with espresso, and finally ½ a shot or ½ ounce of coffee liqueur. Guys, that is the Charlie version of the affogato. We have drowned ice cream with espresso, added ½ ounce of coffee liqueur. Let me know what you guys think, comment below. The only thing left to do now is enjoy. My version of the affogato. Guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, hit the notification bell for future videos, subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers. This color is Ferrari red. This is Jake's ball hockey ball. When I ordered these shoes online, the description was Ferrari red.